Hi, it's Julius Green again, General Sales Manager of Mini of Sterling, and we're doing something special. We're getting an all-new state-of-the-art facility so you can come, have fun, and enjoy your new vehicle. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. Follow me. Watch your head. This is going to be our showroom, our Mini motoring advisors, our finance managers, our staff, our sales managers. They'll all be here. This is the second phase of our renovation. We're going to have an all new campus, all new point, all new brand, everything new here for you at Mini of Sterling. See you soon.